Over 78% of English learners mix up these two tenses, and it makes them sound less fluent without even realizing it. But stay right here because in the next few minutes, you're going to understand the difference forever. We will look at what each tense means, how they work, and how the verb form changes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the present simple. This tense is used to talk about the actions that happen regularly, facts that do not change, and things that are always true. It describes routines, habits, and general truths, things that are part of everyday life. When we use the present simple, the verb stays its base form, and with the he, she, and it, we add s or es. This small change helps show who is doing the action. The present simple is not about one moment. It's about repeated or permanent situations. Examples: Maya wakes up at 7 a.m. The sun rises in the east. She likes orange juice. Now, let's look at the past simple. We use this tense to talk about actions that are completely finished, things that happen at a specific time in the past. It could be yesterday, last week, last year, or any moment before now. Most verbs in the past simple end with ed, but some verbs are irregular, which means they change form. This tense is important because it helps us tell stories, describe past events, and explain what has already happened. Examples: Maya watched a movie yesterday. She visited her grandma last week. She played with her little brother. Now let's compare the two tenses. The present simple describes things that happen regularly or things that are always true. The past simple describes actions that has already happened once and are finished. When we move from the past to present, the verb changes to show the time clearly. This helps listeners understand exactly when the action happened. Example 1. Present: Maya walks to school. Past: Maya walked to school yesterday. Example 2. Present: She eats breakfast at 8. Past: She ate breakfast at 8 o'clock yesterday. Example 3. Present: She studies English. Past: She studied English last night. Now, let's look at a short story to see both tenses in action. The present simple shows Maya's normal routine, the things she does every day. The past simple shows what happened on a specific day in the past. Maya lives with her family. She helps in the kitchen. She washes her hands before eating. Yesterday, Maya woke up late. She missed breakfast. She ran to school. Now, try these. 1. Maya football every weekend. 2. Maya to the mall yesterday. 3. Maya dinner at 7 p.m. 4. Maya a movie last night. 1 is plays, 2 is went, 3 is eats, 4 is watched. Now for a quick recap. Present simple is for habits, facts, and routines. Past simple is for actions that are finished. Present uses the base verb with s for he, she, it. Past uses ed or regular forms. Thanks for watching. Comment more grammar if you want more videos with Maya.